I don't think people realize how simple cough relief can be. You only need 3 natural ingredients. Let me show you how it's done. First up, ginger. It fights off inflammation and gives your throat a soothing kick. Next, Tulsi. It's also called holy basil, and it boosts your immunity like a champ. And finally, honey. Sweet and smooth, it coats your throat and eases that scratchy feeling. Here's what you do. Grate some fresh ginger and grab a few Tulsi leaves. Toss them into a pot of water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Once it cools down a bit, stir in a spoonful of honey. Sip this warm, twice a day. You'll feel the relief naturally. No chemicals, no side effects. It's just nature's way of helping you breathe easy again. Give it a try, and if you found this helpful, share and subscribe for more gentle remedies.